So this is a huge significance for us that we have a local manufacturing in Kenya. We recognize Kenya as the hub for East and Central Africa, and with this production capacity we will have the muscle now, or let's say the production scale, that we can make Kenya the gateway.
The significance of having Refit with us is such that they have a lot of products, as they mentioned, and they quickly understand, and they have said this openly, that it is very important that they follow within the policy of the government to try and manufacture as many products as possible from within the country. For that reason, that relationship is actually bringing us to a point where we can actually domesticate, that's the word I would use, from medical side, but at the same time, it is by joining hands together that we can actually actualize this.